I've got this circuit that, well, I just noticed the light's blinking because I got a short right here. But anyway, I've got this circuit here, and it's supposed to be to test. I'm working on a solar project. I got a switch, and I want to know when the switch is on and off. And the switch is far away, so I want to connect this up. And it's just a quick and dirty thing, but you got how many 3 feet of wire in here, and it's just a tangle, messy tangle. So what I want is I want basically a zero length jumper so that I can go directly, like from the wire on the battery pack here, which is tangled up. I want to go from the wire here to the directly to the LED here. So I just don't want this tangle of wires. This is also, by the way, for low voltage. You notice I've got 2 batteries, enough for high voltage. If you don't know the difference, don't do this. So, okay, what I'm thinking about is a couple clips like this and solder them, either put a piece of copper wire in there or solder them directly so I can just clip directly. So I can go from, like I say, go from one of these battery connectors, battery wires to the LED without having to go through a foot of wire. Okay, I'll go give it a shot, come back and report. Well, here's the result. It's a lot cleaner than this tangle of wires was. Let me take one off of here and I'll show you what I did. One of them I made literally zero length, and the other I put a bendable piece of wire in there. But anyway, it's just a piece of copper wire that I soldered in between those 2 jumpers, and it's a lot more convenient. Again, not for any high voltage. If you don't know the difference between high voltage and low voltage, you should not be doing this. So anyway, but very convenient thing to clean up a circuit and do quick and dirty stuff, a lot less tangled, and yeah, very convenient. So anyway, an idea for quick and dirty jumpers when you're rigging up stuff like this. Hope you found it interesting.